Yo, what's up guys? Hello and welcome to today's live trading video. Sorry I couldn't do the buy certification video because I had a lot of shit going on into the day, and there's a lot of things happening, and I'm going to explain how did I miss this trade, this price action right here. I was planning to enter this trade and then I missed the move, so I re-entered right now. Now I'm in this trade right now, and I'm looking to take profits at these draws on liquidity, which is the main take profit will be at these Asian session lows, but price has a lot of generated downside liquidity to the downside. So with that, please don't forget to smash up the like button and to hit that subscribe button to let us reach 240 legends subscribed before the end of June. And with that, let's get started, man. And when we start, always with the daily time frame. So we're going to identify my trade buys for the day. So today actually it was a really a weird day, because yesterday we just came up, we took out all of those highs, we took out this high, took out these highs, and we took out also this 4-hour highs as well. And with that, price couldn't close above this zone. It ended up sweeping, like with this big wick, it ended up sweeping all of those buy side liquidity, and now we're continuing the move to the downside. That means that there's no much bullish volume in the market right now, and actually you can see that on the 4-hour. We came up, we took out these 4-hour highs, and we continue moving to the downside. We broke the structure right here, not broke structure, we broke the structure right here, and we did a market structure shift right here. So with that, if we go into the day, on Asian session we came down, just kept consolidating for a bit, and then at the start of London session we saw a little bit of price action. And to understand that shit, you go to the hourly time frame, you have these Asian session highs, and you have these highs at the hourly highs, and all the main thing is these Asian session highs, and we have also these Asian session lows. So with that, I wanted to take this trade on London session. You may say, how? Hold on, I'm going to show you now the screenshot that I took. So wait. So this is the first day, the first trade that I was interested in taking, and I missed it. And as you can see, we came up, we took out these Asian session highs, like we made the sweep of liquidity on the 4-hour time frame, and I looked at it on the hourly time frame as well, and also on the 15-minute. We broke the structure on the 15-minute, then we create this breaker block on the 5-minute, and also this fair value gap on the 5-minute. So with that, I was waiting for a breakout structure after that on the 5-minute to enter the trade, but by that time I was not home. I was looking at this from my phone, and I was not home in the first place. So with that, I don't actually take trades when I'm not home, so I kept just watching. Here price came up and filled up this fair value gap and the breaker block, and then I did not enter this trade. After that, price broke the structure again to the downside and continued the move to the downside, but it didn't take out the Asian session lows. So that's why I'm currently interested in, I entered another time into this trade, or I entered into this trade. Price, if I entered this trade, I could have got stopped out at break even, because when I see price move half of my TP, I always set my stop loss at break even, and with that I could have got stopped out at break even on this. But now price ended up recreating the same exact thing. We got out all of the traders who put their stop loss at break even. We swept out these hourly highs, and with that I waited for that. So we broke the structure to the downside on the 15-minute. Then I looked for the 5-minute time frame. As you can see, on the 5-minute time frame we retraced back. I was looking for the first place to invalidate this order block and turn it into a breaker block, and with that, what I was looking for is a 5-minute retracement back into this some sort of continuation confluences, and that is exactly what I got. So literally now it is happening. So we got the retracement, and that is it. My entry was based on the 1-minute also breakout structure. So on the 1-minute we retraced back a little bit, and then once we broke the structure with this down candle, I jumped right away into the trade. And that is it about USD GPY trade. My stop loss is like above the liquidity sweep, where the liquidity sweep happened, and my one and only take profit is based on these Asian session lows. Also, we still have more downside liquidity. So as you can see, the sell side liquidity, like more generated sell side liquidity, and on like the opposite way, on the buy side, we don't have much because we just took out this liquidity. We took out these highs, and the only highs that still with us was these remaining highs. So if price anywhere wants to go up and stop us out or stop me out, I will like price it will go up and take out this high. But besides of that, there is no reason for price. I personally think, on my like honest opinion, I personally think that price should not continue moving higher and should continue down, but that is not, it's up to the price. It's like I did everything I need to do, I did everything I'm supposed to do, and now I just gotta sit and forget and I gotta sit on my hands and do anything else, because I'm not going to fucking stay looking at the charts, because I don't actually look at the charts, because I'm going to say it, if I look at the charts I get a little bit emotional, but now I get used to it after a long of time of trading. But like it's still inside me. Like when I don't like looking at the price going up and down, and I don't actually want that at all, because that will give me like the emotional statement that I don't even like in the first place, and it's going to get me bad on this trade. So that's why I'm going to close the charts and never look at it again. Also, I don't actually like to set take like alarms while I'm on this trade, because I don't have TP1 and TP2. There is no fucking reason for me to like set an alarms, because the alarms will always in the back of my mind. I will still, when my alarm's going to hit, like fuck that shit. I only use one take profit, one stop loss, boom. If I got stopped out, so be it. If I get my TP, so be it. I don't care about anything else besides of that. So if we move on GBP GPY actually, and we, as you can see now, I didn't notice in the first place, we made a bearish SMT. Boom, bearish SMT. And the actual reason why I couldn't take this trade on GJ is actually price. At the start of New York session, we came down, we swept out these highs, and we took out the Asian session lows. So that is enough for me to not take a trade on GJ. Also, it did like gave us some sort of setups. So if you go into the daily time frames, the same exact thing happening. Hold on. The daily time frame, yesterday we came down, we swept out those highs. We almost like took out these highs, but no, we didn't. We made this a huge wick, we took out these highs, and then we continue with the move to the downside. And to clarify the move, you can go into the 4-hour time frame. We have these highs got taken out. So after that, we broke the structure to the downside, make a market structure shift. After that, coming into the day, what we have on Asia session, we came down, we kept the moving lower. Then if we go into the hourly time frame, you could see that those are the Asian session lows and those are the Asian session highs. And if we go into the 15-minute time frame now, as you can see, those are the Asia highs. Also, we have this, see this one, it's a 4-hour fair value gap, a bearish fair value gap actually. So as soon as we did took out the Asian session highs, I kept waiting. See this break of structure, then price did retrace back into this like 15-minute order block, as you can see. And then I didn't like the price action so much on GJ. It was very choppy, as you can see. This is not what I actually typically see or trade on GJ, but that is it. So I preferred the price action on USD GPY actually instead of this one. So that is it. That is it about today's trade. I hope you guys like the video and subscribe. So I think now we are turning up. It is turning against me. So if I got stopped out, so be it. I don't care about that. The only thing that I care about is that I properly manage the trade and I properly manage the position size, and I did everything that I am supposed to do. That is the only thing that I'm looking for. If I enter the trade and my setup is valid and I didn't broke any rules, that is the most important thing. So, but if I like ended up taking a trade which I don't follow my rules in it, that's the real problem. So now we are turning back into this order block. Get the fuck out, bro. We're turning back into this order block, bro. And that is it. I'm going to end the video now. So I don't know if this trade hit TP, whatever. If this trade hits stop loss, whatever. I don't care, because I risked my typical risk management plan, 1% of my account, and that is it. So I hope this trade hits TP, and that is it for today's video, man. I hope you guys like these videos because I'm giving it a lot of time and a lot of effort. So with that being said, thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys up in the next video of the trade recap, obviously, because I did took this trade. And that is it for today's video, man. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to smash up the like button and the subscribe button. And that is it. See you guys in the next video. Peace out.